Kamala Harris just ruined Donald Trump's day. With her much-anticipated declaration today, she immediately installed herself as a frontrunner in the race to be the Democrat intent on taking down the president in 2020. "Let's do this together, for ourselves, for our children, for our country," she said. And with those carefully chosen words, Trump's chances of re-election entered a death spiral. In U.S. elections, the White House often swings to the opposite of what has gone before. She is everything he is not. And whether it is gender, race, age, or ideals, Harris represents the diametric opposite of the present incumbent. She is, in many ways, the female Obama. The political symbolism of a woman of color declaring her candidacy on Martin Luther King Jr. Day was lost on precisely no one. Certainly not on Trump, who will be feverishly trying to dream up a dismissive nickname for Harris. This daughter of a Jamaican-born father and Indian-born mother is a candidate of substance. Such schoolyard tactics are unlikely to work. She will spend the next year hammering Trump on his race relations record. Specifically his comments after the neo-Nazi riots in Charlottesville. And voters will soon come to know the story of how, as a toddler, Harris was taken to civil rights marches by her parents and shouted freedom from her stroller. Within her own party too, Harris is breaking the mold. Joe Biden and Bernie Sanders are widely expected to enter the race in the coming weeks. But both are septuagenarian white men. Beto O'Rourke, for all his progressive credentials, is a millionaire internet entrepreneur. None of that is representative of the Democratic Party today. It was notable in a recent analysis of social media interactions that Harris was an easy second to Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, the young congresswoman, for the most engagement among Democrat politicians. At 54, she is 2 decades younger than Biden and Sanders. She is connecting with the youth of the party. Videos of her questioning of Brett Kavanaugh, Trump's controversial pick for the U.S. Supreme Court, went viral, as have other episodes from her time on the Senate Judiciary Committee. And although she was only elected to the Senate in 2016, inexperience does not seem an argument that will fly for her opponents.